This is the Wyze Pan Cam. It's pretty neat. It's about 35 bucks on Amazon. The bottom rotates so that you can so that it pans around to look at different objects. It has motion detecting. It used to have like person detection, but you can set the sensitivity for sounds, sensitivity for movement, and this ball here, it moves up and down and all around in this area, so it will scan a whole area. You can set the motor speed in the app for how fast it goes, and like I said, it will move around like this, basically, and capture motion. There's a speaker. One of these two is probably a speaker, and you can put a like flash drive on the back of it if you want more storage. What we do is we just use this micro USB. It can take up to 32 gigabyte, and you can also mount these, which is kind of neat. Yeah, it's a good investment. I like feeling a little secure, or at least we live in a campus area, so there's silly stuff that goes on every once in a while, and we've used it a couple times to kind of figure out our neighbor across the street they got broken into. If you use something that is in the similar price range, comment below and let me know what you use for your security. It's really nice. We got this one as a gift for our wedding, and I've enjoyed it a lot. It's a good build. Both of mine have like fallen off the like windowsill I put them on, and they're not perfect, but for what it is, it's pretty awesome, and peace of mind, I guess. And you can use an application to check them out live pretty much anywhere on Earth there's internet. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the flippy side.